So what is Munchai.com? Munchai.com is a launch calendar of all the products that are being launched on the platforms like JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Every day there are launch of products on the platform like JVZoo and Warrior Plus. If you want to become an affiliate of these products or promote them, you need to ask for approval to the vendors of these products. You can always browse the product launch platforms like JVZoo and Warrior Plus and ask for the vendor's approval. But what if you want approval for products which are going to be launched? How will you know which product is going to be launched in couple of weeks? Munchai.com is useful here. It is a launch calendar of all the products which are going to be launched on platforms like Warrior Plus or JVZoo. Right now I have opened Munchai.com website. As you can see, there are two options. So as we are going to promote the products, we will click on I sell or promote marketing products. So you can subscribe here or you can skip. So for now I am skipping it. So as you can see, all the launches which are coming up in next couple of weeks is listed here, and you can go through all the products. So say for an example, you want to promote this product by Ryan Phillips video. So I click on this. So this will take you to this page where you will see all the details like the vendor name, the product name, the launch dates, what are the launch timings, what is the front end price, and commissions you will get. So for this product you can see you will get 50% commission. Also you can see a quick note by the vendor. So right now we'll click on the affiliate or a JV page. So I'll click on this page. So this brings you to the JV page of the product. So right now the product we are looking at is video. So you can scroll through the page and there's a lot of information of the product available. There are demos available. You can go through all of them. So as you are promoting the products, what you need to see is the sales funnels, how much you will get on front end, how much you will get on the OTOs, what are the OTOs and all the resources you need. So once you go through this, the final thing you need is to get the approval from the vendor. So to get the approval, what you have to do is click on this get your affiliate link. So you have to search for this link on the vendor's JV page, and once you click on this, you will be taken to either JVZoo or Warrior Plus depending on the platform vendor is using. So as you can see, I am on the vendor's page, and here you have to put the note to the vendor for the approval. So you read whatever note the vendor has given, accept it, say I'm not a robot. So to save time, I have already written a script, so I am giving a small note like my name is Ashwin and I want to promote, and this is my blog, and I have a small list. That's it. So you give a note and say request affiliate approval. And that's it. Now you have asked for approval and you have to wait for vendor to approve. If you want to learn more about Manchai or JVU or Warrior Plus, I recommend Kevin Fai's affiliate funnels training program. I have added the link in the description. Take a look. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like. To learn about digital marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.